Good morning. Gives me so much pleasure to be amongst all of you, to see all your smiling faces, so energizing. Thank you, Sparsha. Thank you, Gopi. Thank you to all the trustees for inviting me to be part of this very, very special event. And this has a very special place in my heart because coming to this event, being amongst all of you, reminds me that of the very purpose of our life. Why do we do what we do? It's to create a society where children can have the opportunity, children can have security, children can have the ability to dream. And that is really a good quality society. We've really enjoyed our incredible partnership with Sparsha Trust. But we look beyond that. We truly believe that airports have the responsibility to becoming gateways to opportunities for the communities in which they are looked. And this partnership with Sparsha Trust not only reflects that belief, but also has enabled us to fulfill that. Thank you very much. Through our partnership with Sparsha, we've been able to deliver a home which provides security, which provides love, care to a countless number of children. And the amazing work that you do enables us to achieve that dream. Over the years, this partnership has not just created infrastructure, it has created possibility. It has created a safe home, a nurturing environment. It has provided possibilities for education, ensured mental well-being, and more than that. This is not CSR for us. This is our deepest commitment to this particular event. I think this is my second or third year that I've been part of this particular event. Fourth year that I've been part of this event, and it gives me great joy to be here. But this celebration is this particular event is a reminder of the fact that education goes way beyond textbooks and classrooms and curriculum. And Siddhant mentioned that the activities, and I was looking at the lineup of events that are set up: sports, cultural events, art, and these are fantastic events to have, because the aim of education really is to develop character, is to develop high quality personalities, is to develop the full being of children. That's the purpose of education. Sports activities, what does it teach you? It teaches you teamwork. Can you play sports alone? You have to work as a team, right? So sports teaches you teamwork. Art teaches you expression. Cultural events teach you confidence. And working together and doing activities together helps to build communities. And that's the incredible work that you do. And children, today you have an exciting opportunity. Today's celebration is about you. So participate in full force, give your best, and make sure you do really well. Each one of you carries a very special talent, and I want you to remember that. Each one of you carries a very special talent, carries a very special strength. Remember that this world is changing very rapidly, and each of these talents, each of these strengths means something in this world. Use that talent, nurture that talent, develop that talent, and use it to change this world. Because each one of you, when you go out into this world, must remember that you must leave the world in a better place than you found it. And you can only do that if you work on the talent and the strength that each one of you possesses. I've got 3 messages for all you children today. 3 very important messages. Remember this. Never underestimate your abilities. Believe in them. Do not allow circumstances that you are in to limit your dreams. Dream big. Dream really big, because if you dream big, you can go out and achieve them. And last but not the least, never stop learning. Because learning is the biggest gift that you can give yourself. Can you promise me today that you will never stop learning?
Yes!
Thank you. I'm so happy to hear that. Thank you. The Board of Trustees that Sparsha has, the incredible team of volunteers, the governing volunteers, the volunteers who work here, the teachers, the caregivers, all of them, they do such an incredible job. My words fail me when I describe what I feel for the work that you do. All I can tell you that the work that you do is truly extraordinary. I'd like to thank you for creating a safe space where children can find the opportunity to grow and flourish. Please accept my deepest respect and deepest admiration for the incredible work that you do. It is also important to acknowledge that this work cannot be done by one individual or one organization. It takes a whole collective set of people to come together. So to the incredible donors who are here, you guys are just rock stars. Incredible all of you, the work that you do, for the contributions that you bring to the table, the communities around here, the groups of people from the surrounding communities that come together, local supporters, well-wishers. Social transformation cannot be achieved alone. This is a collective journey. Together we can help every child. From Bangalore Airport side, all I can tell you is that we reaffirm our commitment to continuing our journey with you, because we believe in the work that you do, and we promise you that we'll continue to support you in the years to come. Let me end by saying that each child here, every single child here, each one of you, is a story of courage, of hope, and of great potential. And all of us in this room have the responsibility and the privilege to make sure that we support these stories. Children do not need us to change the whole world. Children need us to change the world around them so that they can grow, flourish, and fly. Children, today is your day. Go out there and have great fun. Ensure that you give your best, and wish you all the best. And I wish the joy of learning as well great success. Thank you very much.